We have an update in the district tonight. Former D.C. Deputy Mayor Geldart was set to appear in court today.
Yeah, his assault case comes after a viral video shows Geldart allegedly grabbing a man by the throat outside of an Arlington gym.
Our political and government reporter Leonard Fleming has been following this story since it first broke.
And Leonard, you were in court this afternoon, but Geldart was a no-show, and you said that wasn't really a surprise.
Not at all, Chris. Geldart, who served in Mayor Muriel Bowser's administration until last week, was not in an Arlington County courthouse today. He waived the arraignment in the assault and battery case, and he could have a hearing in the next couple of months. Geldart, deputy mayor in charge of public safety and justice, was arrested October 1st after he allegedly choked a man in the parking lot of a Gold's Gym in Virginia. His attorney did not appear in court as well, and it's unclear whether he will plead guilty or not guilty. Questions also swirled on where Geldart actually lived. Administration officials are required to live in D.C., but Geldart listed his home in Falls Church. In an interview with the Washington Post, Geldart said he stayed part-time in D.C. with a friend to meet the residency requirements. He called it geo-bacheloring, a military term used to describe one military person living with another. Geldart is a former Marine. The mayor addressed his resignation last week.
I think that was serious. The response was serious, but I think what it was about nothing. But I had a face-to-face conversation with Deputy Mayor Geldart, and we agree that we both need to be focused on the big issues for D.C.
Geldart could be back in court on December 8th, but his attorney said that date could very well change. Leonard N. Fleming, D.C. News Now.